All right, so we're in a 3-bed, 2-bath on Rivington. Living room area with a bedroom here with a closet, exposed brick. You will have to install a window unit for those areas, or even if you had one good one with enough BTUs, there is a ceiling fan, so that could circulate the air. Those pocket doors are a nice touch. You got a fully stocked kitchen, dishwasher, fridge, wine cooler, microwave, stove. Straight back, you got washer and dryer in unit, as well as 1 bath. Shine a little more light on the subject for you. Straight back, you've got 2 more beds. Closet in each room with a little outdoor area as well. Probably can't see that well because it's like midnight. And that is the entire layout, folks. 3-bed, 2-bath. The heart of the Lower East Side. Hope you enjoyed. Toodles.